Hey guys, welcome to the Make Money Online YouTube channel with me, Neil Waterhouse. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to call eBay in any country, including USA, Canada, Australia, UK, etc. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to my channel because I post videos just like this, helping you and showing you how to make money online every week. And you don't want to miss them. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, since COVID-19, the reason eBay has reduced phone support and increased live chat is because many of eBay's customer support staff are now working from home. Most of the time, you can sort out most issues quickly using eBay's live chat. However, there are of course some issues where you just need to talk to a person rather than type to a person on live chat. Now, once you get to the stage of having an eBay anchor store or you're turning over greater than $1 million US per year, you'll get your own eBay rep and you'll normally get their direct phone number. But if you're not up to that level yet, this week's video shows how anyone can call eBay from any country on the planet. I'll show you now how to contact eBay via both live chat and how to call eBay. First of all, to get to the live chat feature, it's just 4 steps. At the top of any page on eBay, click on the Help hyperlink. Now scroll to the very bottom and click on the Chat with Us hyperlink. Now click on whichever button is relevant for the reason that you wish to call eBay. For this demonstration, I'll click on the Selling button. Next, I'll click on the Creating a Listing button. Now you'll see the Start Chat button. Click on it and you'll get the chat box. Now, if the live chat is not good enough and you still need to call eBay, here are the steps. Now, since the coronavirus, eBay has removed its phone numbers from most pages and also the hyperlink that says have us call you from almost all the pages, but not them all. There are still a few pages which have the call you hyperlink like this one. Now, to get to this page, I'll put the URL below the video. Now, if you're located outside of the USA or Canada, like myself in Australia, you have to jump through a couple of small hoops. This link I've just shared with you below is only for the USA, i.e. ebay.com. For the link to work, you must first go to ebay.com and then log in using your normal login, like if you're in Australia, whatever login you use for there, or if you're in England, whatever login you use there. But just use your normal login for whatever country you're in, but you must do it through ebay.com. Now, when you're logged into ebay.com, click on the Have Us Call You hyperlink and you'll need to enter a phone number. Now, eBay only allows you to enter a USA or Canadian phone number. However, there's an easy workaround if you're like yourself, located in any other country on the planet besides USA or Canada. And what I'm going to show you now takes literally only a few minutes to get it around, and it's free. Just go to textnow.com and sign up for a free USA phone number. Again, I'll put a link below the video. Then just enter your details and TextNow will ask you for an area code. I entered 718, which is in the USA, is the area code for New York. And bingo, I now have a free USA phone number. Now, if someone calls that number, I can talk to them for free on my computer, or even better, you can download the TextMore app on your mobile phone, again for free. Then as soon as someone calls it, your computer and or mobile phone will ring. Now, you simply just paste that number into eBay, click the blue Have Us Call You button, and eBay will call you. Happy days. Notice also that eBay says that you're allowed to use a different number to the number that you have on your eBay account. That brings us to the end of this week's video blog about how to call eBay. Make sure you give it a like if you think it was helpful, and write down in the comments what part you thought was best. Now also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications because you're not going to want to miss any of my upcoming Make Money Online with eBay and Amazon videos. And if you're not already selling full-time online with eBay and Amazon, I have an entire free course teaching step-by-step how to build a 7-digit online business using less than $100. So all you have to do is tap the links down in the description to download it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on next week's video.